Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone V30e with gem-cut design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 93.3% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 388 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixels Sony IMX882 wide-angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aura light. For selfies, it has 50 megapixel centered punch hole on the front wide-angle camera. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14. Screen on top the device, and will get 3 generations of Android updates and 4 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable via hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.36 by 74.75 by 7.65 or 7.75 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 or 188 grams, and the color options silk blue, velvet red colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo V30e has been priced in India for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo V30e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.